Okay, to start out the trig course, we're going to go over some basics, and for the most part, basics of irrational functions, which play a big part in actual trigonometry. So we're going to start out with the very basics. Some of this you should have already learned, or actually all of you should have already learned, but we're going to go back over it anyway. And starting out with the very simple stuff, adding, subtracting, and multiplying. And the rules are just as what you might expect. And when adding, 2 square root of 5, this is 6 square root of 5. Take the numbers out in front of the square root, add them together, so 2 plus 6 gives you 8, and then square root of 5. This is very similar to adding a 2x plus 6x, and that would give you 8x. And same deal. Right here. 9 square root of 3, subtract 2 square root of 3, subtract 4 square root of 5. I've added one more little tidbit in here so I can explain something about adding and subtracting these. In order to add or subtract them, they have to have the same square root function here. Okay, so I can take 9 square root of 3 and subtract 2 square root of 3. That'll give me 9 subtract 2 gives me 7 square root of 3. This is not a square root of 3, it's a square root of 5. So we cannot include it in. So we can't go 7 subtract 4. And so this just gets tapped on the end, subtract 4 square root of 5. Easy enough. Multiplying. Also easy. Again, you take the two numbers in front of the square root, multiply them together. 4 times 3 gives you 12. Then take the two numbers under the square root and multiply them together. So 2 times 5 gives you 10. So it's 12 square root 10. Similarly, down here, negative 5 times a positive 6 gives you negative 30. And a 3 times 7 gives you square root 21. That's all there is to adding, subtracting, and multiplying.